is Origami, wiggly wobbly caterpillar. And when you stretch it like an accordion, it can be a stress reliever too. All you need is just one rectangle of paper, nothing else, no cuts, no tapes and no glues. So for this origami caterpillar, you need 1/4 of an 8.5 by 11-inch paper or a printer paper. You can get it by folding your paper in half, unfold and fold this edge to the crease. And you can either cut it or you can tear it. And now we'll have to make it into a 5 by 1 rectangle. So fold it like this, take and fold this paper up how much, so that this edge aligns with this edge like this, and crease sharply. Now fold it up on this edge. Like this. Turn over and now take this part and fold it back, and you need to align this edge with this edge, and you need to align it with this part. Now rotate and take this flap and fold it up so you align it with this part. Now let's do the same thing with all the part which is left. And the part which is extra, which is coming a bit like this, you need to cut it off. And if you are tearing, please follow this. First, to tear it, make it super sharp like this. Now make a small tear like this, and now tear it. You can also cut it. So here you have your paper into 5 equal parts, and it's a 5 by 1 rectangle too. Now turn over so you have these folds as mountains, and now take the second mountain, holding it vertically like this. Take the second mountain and put it on the first mountain, and crease it on the part which is folded. Put up like this. And now take this part and put it over here. Over here where the first mountain was there. Crease it. And now take the last mountain and put it over here. Like this. Now take this part, this edge, so it aligns with this edge. Like this. And now you would have one square sized. And now turn it over. Take this flap and take it down on this crease. This crease, and now take this edge and fold it up till this edge. Now unfold completely. Now you have 10s. Now we have to divide it into 20s. So if you have the second fold as a valley, like this. Turn it over so you have it as a mountain, and now take the second fold, which is a mountain, to the first, which is a valley crease, like this, and crease just like we had creased before when we were folding into tens. Now take this mountain. Now take the very next mountain, which is this, to this crease. Now take the next mountain, fold it to its very top crease. This crease, which is just on the top of it. Same with the last mountain. So the top crease should be valleys, not mountains. Now take this edge, which is at the bottom, till this crease, valley crease. Like this. Now rotate 180 degrees, so it looks like this. Now take this part, this mountain, which it is going down, and do it like we are turning a page of a book, and crease. So we are forming a new crease. Same with all the folds, mountains, folds we have put. It's like flip the page of a book. And when you are done, take this edge, fold it to this crease. So it looks like this now. Now holding it like this, take 2 units up, 1 unit down, 2 units up, 1 unit down, and so on. And when you reach the last crease, turn it over and fold in half. Now completely unfold. Now you have a zigzag pattern of mountain, valley, and so on. Now holding it like this horizontally, take the long side and fold it in half. Unfold so you have a crease in between. Now take the edges and fold them to the middle crease. This edge to this crease, the middle crease, rotate 180 degrees and do the same thing with this edge. Just like we fold our paper into 4 equal parts. So hold it like this. Now turn the paper over. It's like this. And now holding it horizontally like this, take the longest crease, which is in the middle, and form it. So it's like this. Now we have our middle crease. Now we need to make it into a slithery surface. So holding this part like this, now hold it vertically and make the first crease of your right, which is like this, the short crease, into a mountain fold, and on your left side the second crease, first and second, this second crease into a mountain fold. And now hold them and push them together like this. And you have the middle mountain, and then you take this crease and this crease, join them together, So it's like a slithery pattern. See, these which I am highlighting are the creases which we have made. This, and this, like this. Now the same zigzag pattern. So this is our left. So the next is going to be in our right. And please. Now fold it like this. So you have a mountain like this. And now take the next fold which is on the left and push them together so they form a valley in between. So these are called pleats. It's like this now. And then the next mountain. And these. And then form the next on the left side. It's like a zigzag pattern we are going in. You see, it is forming a zigzag. And so on. You can rewind if you want to watch it again. And it's done. And guess what? We are almost done. The only part left is to reverse fold in between all these mountains. So it looks even more like a caterpillar. So reverse fold. So you see, there is a mountain, and in between every mountain, push it. Push it, push it, push it, and so on. Rewind if you want to recall it. Like this. So we have reverse folded one edge. Now let's turn it over and let's start reverse folding this edge. Why did I turn over? So it's much easier, because if it is like this, then it's much harder and much longer to reverse fold. So turn over and reverse fold and do the same. Reverse fold all the mountains. And the last step is to press it on a surface like this, so it's sharp, and when you pull it, it's like a wiggly caterpillar. And when you pull it like you're playing an accordion, it also Just see how it looks like a stress bus stop. And this is how it looks from the back. Friends, enjoy wiggling and wobbling this caterpillar. And I'll come up soon with more fun and interesting models. So to receive them, start now by clicking that red subscribe button, give my video a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.